Looking for top-notch roofing in Palm Beach, Jupiter, Palm City, Port St. Lucie, or Boca Raton, Expert Roofing Services has got you covered. Whether you need roof repair, a full roof replacement, or are thinking about switching to metal roofing, we're the go-to contractors for all your roofing needs. We handle everything from residential to commercial roofing, ensuring your home or business stays protected. Need gutters installed? We do that too. Trust us to keep you covered. For more info, just visit us online.